Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, and now we are here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.32%. This results in an average return of 0.05% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.563% to positive 6.22%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.19% over the next year, with an expected return between 13.84% and 38.29%. This would correspond to a price range from $259.80 to $315.61 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Thursday Trading. On the last trading day, Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, the Apple stock price increased by 1.38%, rising from $225.12 to $228.22. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.71%, with a low of $225.02 and a high of $228.87. Although the price has declined in 5 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 1.02% over the past 2 weeks. The volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.10 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price sits 3.90%, or $9.27, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is currently making headlines with several significant developments as of November 14th, 2024. Firstly, the tech giant is focusing on expanding its product lineup with new headsets and smart home devices. This comes after mixed results from previous innovations, such as the Vision Pro headset. The potential for diversification could bolster Apple's revenue streams and appeal in an increasingly competitive tech market. Additionally, Apple is reportedly gearing up to launch an AI-powered smart home hub as early as March. This innovation is poised to enhance its ecosystem by integrating e-commerce capabilities, allowing for seamless transactions within its connected device framework. Such a move could drive significant consumer engagement and support recurring revenue, positively impacting the stock price in the long term. On the financial front, Apple has recently rewarded its investors with a quarterly dividend, signaling its commitment to returning capital to shareholders. However, concerning news has surfaced as billionaire investor Warren Buffett sold shares in Apple for a fourth consecutive quarter. Despite this trend in his portfolio, Apple shares have seen a rise in value this year, suggesting resilience against external pressures. Complicating the narrative, Apple faces a £3 billion legal challenge from a UK consumer group over its iCloud services, which could potentially impact consumer trust and future revenues in that market. Meanwhile, reports indicate that Foxconn, Apple's key supplier, has experienced increased profits due to growing demand for artificial intelligence, hinting at strong supply chain performance that can benefit Apple's production efficiency and profit margins. Overall, while legal hurdles pose risks, the company's innovative strides and commitment to shareholders may favorably influence Apple's stock price in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned Apple Inc. a hold grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. an underweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Apple Inc. a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple Inc. an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Apple stock generates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $228.55. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $225.57. A breakout above the long-term average will produce another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will contribute to an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative indication. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued following a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and thus far, it has risen by 2.8%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading session, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. On Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, the stock exhibited a golden star signal on the short-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a specific combination. Such occurrences are quite rare and are often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 10 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 125 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.85, or 1.71%, between its high and low. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.47%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing track records or consistent revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.87. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.20. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider purchase of 8,115 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October 2024, Chris Kondo also conducted an insider sale of 3,985 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October 2024, Chris Kondo carried out an insider sale of 1,898 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of October 2024, Chris Kondo conducted another insider sale of 2,077 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.456. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,069,882 shares and sold 3,603,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.93, reflecting a decline of 4.95%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, leading us to believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate position to a buy recommendation. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 85 cents, starting at $227.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, You acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.